This is Teacher Jeanette, and welcome to Math Ayos! For today's video, our lesson is changing dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. Now, this lesson is in preparation for our next lesson, which is adding and subtracting fractions. Because in adding fractions, we cannot add directly if the denominators are not the same. So we have to make the denominators the same, or we have to make them similar fractions. Our first example, we have 3/8 and 1/6. So you notice their denominators are not the same. So they are dissimilar fraction. Now we are going to change this one into similar fraction. So we're going to find the LCD. So we're going to use the continuous division method. So 8 and 6. We're going to find or think of a prime number that we can use to divide both 8 and 6 exactly. So we're going to use 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then let's try to think another prime number that we can divide either 4 or 3. So we can use 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 3 divided by 2 is not exact, so we will just bring it down. Then, what prime number we can divide? We can use 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. And 3 divided by 2, so it's not exact, so bring it down. And then another prime number that we can divide here is 3. So just bring down the 1, and then 3 divided by 3 is 1. So stop na tayo dito kasi 1 na sila lahat sa baba. Then we're going to multiply all these numbers here. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. So therefore, our LCD is 24. So we already have the LCD of 24. So the LCD here is 24. We're going to write the 24 as our LCD. Then what would be our next step? So 24 divided by 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. Then times 3, so that is 9. Then 24 divided by 6 is 4. Times 1, so the answer is 4. So we have now the similar fraction of 3/8 and 1/6. Okay, our second example, we have 3 and 5/6, 2 and 1/4, and 4/9. So 3 and 5/6 is our fraction number 1. The 2 and 1/4 is our fraction number 2. And 4/9 is our fraction number 3. So they are dissimilar fractions because their denominators are not the same. So we're going to change them into similar fraction. So we're going to get the denominators. We have 6, 4, and 9. Then, think of a prime number that you can divide at least 2 of the given numbers. So, we'll try 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then, 9 divided by 2 is not exact, so we will bring down 9. Okay, then, think of another prime number that you can use to divide at least 2 of the given numbers. So, we will try 3. So, that is 1. That is 2 divided by 3. So, bring down the 2. And then, 9 divided by 3. That is 3. Then, so anong prime number na pwede nating i-divide dito? We'll have 2. So, bring down 1. Then, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then, 3 divided by 2 is not exact. So, bring down 3. And then, divide this 1 by 3. That is 1. Bring down 1. Then, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, you notice, 1 na lahat ang natira. So, we'll stop from there. So, we will get all this 1. So, we will multiply 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So, 2 times 3 is 6 times 2, 12 times 3 is 36. So, therefore, our LCD is 36. So, we're now going to change our fraction into similar fraction using our LCD, which is the 36. So, we're going to write the LCD here, that is 36. And then, you will copy the whole number here and also the whole number 2 here. So, this is our fraction number 1, our fraction number 2, and our fraction number 3. So, we're going to find the numerator for our fraction number 1. Okay, fraction number 1. So, 36 divided by 6 times 5. So, that is 36 divided by 6. Then times 5. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Times 5, the answer is 30. So, therefore, the numerator here is 30. So, how did we get 30? That is 36 divided by 6. That is 6. And then times 5. So, that's why we get 30. Then, we're going to find the numerator for our fraction number 2. So, that is 36 divided by 4 times 1. So, we have 36 divided by 4 times 1. So, 36 divided by 4 is 9 times 1. So, the answer here is 9. So, the numerator here is 9. How did we get 9? That is 36 divided by 4 equals 9 times 1. So, the answer is 9. Then, we will get the numerator for our fraction number 3. So, you have 36 divided by 9 is 4 times 4. So, the answer is 16. So, our numerator for fraction number 3 is 16. How did we get 16? That is 36 divided by 9 is 4 times 4. So, the answer is 16. So, this is now the similar fraction of our given fraction here. Okay? Our third example is 4/5, 1/2, and 2/3. Now, you notice that in their denominators, they don't have the common divisor except 1. So, pag wala ka nang pwedeng ma-divide except 1 sa mga denominators, just multiply them directly. So, pag wala tayong pwedeng ma-divide dito, multiply na natin. So, 5 times 2 is 10 times 3 is 30. So, therefore, our LCD here is 30. So, we will change this into similar fraction. So, we will write the LCD, which is 30. This one is 30. And also here, 30. Then, 30 divided by 5 is 6. Times 4, so this is 24. Then, 30 divided by 2 is 15. Times 1, so that is 15. Then, 30 divided by 3 is 10. Times 2, so that is 20. So, this is now the similar fraction of our given fraction here.